Hello friends, in this video we will learn to apply filter on the font colors in Excel. What is font color? Font color is the color which we apply to the font in our data. For example, here we can see that in this first image we can see the data with the red font is filtered out, whereas in the second example we can see that the data with the blue font is filtered out. Now let's see how we can filter out this data based on the font colors. For this we will move to the raw data sheet where I have already prepared a dummy data for your reference. Okay, so for this I will explain you the data first. So this is the data. In the first column I have listed the dates. In the second column I have listed the product names, and in the third column I have listed the regions, that is east, west, south, north, etc. And in the very last column I have listed the number of items sold per product in each region. Okay, and if we observe carefully, I have highlighted few numbers with the red font. Here you can see few numbers are highlighted with the red font, as well as few numbers with the blue font. So in this last column I have applied font color. Okay, now based on this font color we will see how we can filter out this data. First of all, we should know how we can apply the basic filter. So for this we have to select the header row and we have to go to the data tab. Under data tab, here there is one group, that is sort and filter, and in this group we can find the command filter. Once we click on this, we can see that filter buttons will get highlighted or applied to the header row. Okay, as we want to apply the font color filter which is only available in the last column, so what we will do, we will click the filter button for this cell which is number of items sold. Click here, and out of appeared option we will select the option filter by color. Excel will automatically provide us option to filter by font color, as there are only font colors available in this column. So let's say if we want to apply the filter for the font color red, we have to select here red color. Okay, now our data is filtered for the data with the font color red. I will clear this filter, and in the second example we will again see how we can filter the data with the blue font. Okay, so this data we want to filter. So once again we have to click here, then click on the number filter by color, and in this time we will select the blue color. Okay, so we can see that we have filtered the data with the blue font color. So this is very simple process. That's all from this video. Thank you. Have a great time. I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, hit like button and share with your friends. If you have any questions, suggestions or feedback, do let us know through your comments. And most important, subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get notifications about our newly uploaded videos.